Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to send WhatsApp messages to unsaved numbers. Suppose if you have unsaved numbers, if you have dialed a number and instantly if you would like to send WhatsApp messages to those numbers, yes, you can do. There are two ways to do it. Okay, first go to the number, find out the number. Okay, so go to the dialer and you will have lot of numbers you have dialed or you have received numbers from them. Okay, then they are unsaved to your phone. If you'd like to instantly WhatsApp to those numbers, you don't need to save those numbers. Directly you can message. Okay, what you have to do? First of all, decide which number you would like to message. Okay, so here I have a lot of numbers. By first method, just go to the Truecaller. Okay, if you have installed Truecaller, those numbers will be available in the Truecaller also. Okay, so go to the Truecaller and find out a list of call logs. Okay, these are the call logs. So here, if you would like to WhatsApp to particular number, select that. Okay, so I would like to use this. Okay, here some name suggestions will appear by Truecaller itself. Okay, so find out the number and go to the corresponding number in the Truecaller. Okay, so this is the number. Yes, and here what you have to do, scroll down, you will see WhatsApp. Whether it is showing here KM, that is a Truecaller suggestion. Suppose if it is not suggesting anything, then also you have this WhatsApp symbol. Okay, irrespective of suggestions, you will have the WhatsApp symbol in the Truecaller for each call you have received or you have made. Okay, so click on the WhatsApp directly and it will just go to the WhatsApp. Now, as of now, it is showing one advertisement. Okay, so don't worry about it. After advertisement, it will open to the WhatsApp. Okay, so close advertisement and yes, it's directing to WhatsApp. Click on the WhatsApp. If you go to WhatsApp, yes, those WhatsApp will be showing. Okay, so first or second you can select. Okay, yes, I already sent this. Okay, I have tested and that's showing. Suppose if you would like to do from the first WhatsApp, yes, you can do. Now also one advertisement appearing. Just close advertisement first. Yes, again add. Yes, opening WhatsApp and I am selecting now first option just once, and yes, it is gone to now first WhatsApp. Okay, so in this way you can do it. Okay, another way, first you go to copy the number from the dialer. Okay, so what number you would like to do, just copy the number. Okay, so this is the number, just copy the number. For that, what you have to do, just to click on the number and copy. Okay, long press here and copy. Then go to your WhatsApp. Okay, then go to this icon and here select message yourself option. Okay, and there paste the number and send. You have messaged yourself. Okay, so what number you would like to WhatsApp without saving, copy that number and send it to yourself, and then click on that number. You will find a chart with, and just click on it so that you can now send messages to the unsaved number. Okay, in this way you can easily send WhatsApp messages to unsaved number. There are two ways. One is using Truecaller, but it will show some advertisement after clicking. Okay, so wait for advertisement finishing or closing, and then you can directly do WhatsApp messages to those unsaved numbers. Okay. Second method is using yourself, that is messaging yourself first with the number. Okay, that is copy the number for which you would like to send messages and paste that number into your messages. Okay, that is you are sending messages to yourself. Then from there, just click on the number. That is the messages you have. Messages, click on the messages. You have only sent number to the messages. Okay, so click on that messages, so it will directly open chat with like, and just you can chat. Okay, so in these two methods you can easily WhatsApp to unsaved numbers. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.